Okay, now we're done with the repo sync. So we have all the files downloaded. What we're going to do now is build the uboot. So let's go ahead. And you can see the repo sync put in a bunch of directories. And that does the configuration. And what we're missing here is a make. This doesn't take long. So the three things we're going to make are the uboot, the xloader, the kernel, and then also make the file system. Okay, so you can see we get, if we do a quick ls here, we get our uboot made. So now the next thing we need to make is the xloader. So let's go ahead and move to the xloader directory. We'll do a clean. We really don't need to do this, but let's go ahead and do that. And then let's do the configuration. Okay, see it configures for the OMAP Zoom2 board. And then we're going to do the make. A regular make work there, and then we're going to create an MLO, which is a assigned version of the xloader, which is something, an extra step that you need to do in this case. And here you can see we've created the xload.bin IFT, and then they renamed it to MLO. So now we're done with the uboot and the xloader. Now let's build the kernel. This will take slightly more time. Before we build the kernel, we need to make sure we get this make image from the uboot in the path. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's go edit our bash. Okay. And then we want to put this path in. Okay. And then let's go ahead and source it. And let's change to the kernel directory. Oops, wrong one there. I think here's what I did here. Hold on. Try that again. So now we're in the L25.7 MyDroid kernel directory, and we'll do clean. Okay, and then we'll do the configuration. And then we'll do the actual make, in which case we will get the U image when it's done. Okay, and that is off and building. And the next section, we will build the file system. Okay, so now we've done building the kernel. Now we're going to build the file system. We need to copy buildspec.make first. Okay, and then we're going to go back to the root MyDroid directory. Okay, and then this will, the J2 will do 2 threads. It's a variable here, and start building the file system. So when we are done, we'll have xloader, uboot, kernel, and file system. And that's the whole thing that we will need to download.